Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name's Genesis, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smack that subscribe button and make sure you hit that like button and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to be fixing a slime. So before I show you the slime, let me show you the stuff. So I got glitter. If you can't see this cute organizer, let's put that on the side. I got lotion. Voila, it's cherry blossom lotion. It's very nice and it's very soft. We have shaving cream. So time to see the slime. I'm just gonna open it real quick. I'm gonna take it out. I was going to take it out over here, but then I realized, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. It's a unicorn fluffy slime. It was 3 colors, green, purple, blue, and I mixed it up. Oh, and it also had rainbow foam beads, and this is how it turned out. So it's not the best. It feels very weird. It has this oily texture that leaves your hand very oily. And it doesn't have glitter. And it's so sad because it's a unicorn themed. Why would it not have glitter? Which I'm so sad about. And it has rainbow foam beads, as I already said. And I don't really like the color that much. But, yeah guys. It's stretchy. Only if you stretch it slow. So it's basically runny slime. So I think we're gonna take half lotion. We're gonna half lotion this. So let's put lotion in it, because why not? Okay, let's spread it all around. This is so weird. Let's put this on the side. It feels so very weird. It's like, look how dirty my hands are getting. I don't think you could see it that much, but they're getting very lotiony, if you know what I mean. So if you might be wondering, why are you doing this? And I'm going to answer your question, in case you were wondering. So I'm doing this because I was looking through my slimes and I saw this one. And I felt the texture, and I was like, oh, I don't like the texture at all. So then I was like, some people said they wanted to see more slime videos. So I'm like, okay, then we could fix this slime. Okay, not in the comment section because my comments are turned off. So if they're not, then comment. But if they are, then don't. Look at that, guys. So nice. It feels very nice. It still feels that texture that I'm not liking. So it feels very weird. It feels like a lotiony slime, but it also feels very... Oh no, my lotion fell. It really fell down. Okay, so guys, let's just mix it, and then mix it, and it mix it, and it mix it, and we're gonna see how it turns out. So it's like continuing to a jiggly texture, which is not the best, so it's not the worst. Sorry, it's the worst. I mean, I guess it's not the worst. Maybe it is the worst. Now it's like a runny texture. It's not bad, but it's bad. So look, guys, this is like a nice fluffy. And on the other hand, there's like a nice runny. Look, guys, you want to see something? Now look at my hand. Look at how sticky it looks. And now let's add more lotion. make sure when you're ever gonna add lotion to slime, make sure you don't use expensive lotion, because you're basically wasting it for slime, so it won't really, your parents might get you in trouble, so please don't do it. This is actually my lotion that I bought with my own money, so I have a lot of these, so that's why I could use it for whatever I want. Oh my goodness, it's still sticky. Okay, I think we're gonna move on to the fluffy slime. Okay, we're just gonna put that aside. Let's put it over here. Okay. I'm not trying to get any lotion. Okay. On this one because it's a very nice texture, but it's not the best. So time to add shaving cream. Okay, this one, I think I have to shake it more. Okay guys, it's not really working that much. It's still getting very fluffy. Look guys, it's very weird, but it's fluffy, I like it. It's very fluffy, as you can see. Very fluffy! Okay, I'm not a good singer, guys. I'm not even a singer at all, guys. It's a very nice texture, actually. Look how dirty I left the table. But who cares, because this is called a craft table for a reason, right? Okay, I think I'm going to add some glitter. So I'm going to see what glitter I want to add. I can't even open this. That's how slippery my hands are. It's pretty easy to open. Do we add some holographic glitter? Some holographic glitter. Some black glitter. Some white glitter. Or some silver glitter. Actually, I think I'm gonna go with, I don't know, what color would this look good in? Maybe a silver. Let's add this small silver one, because why not? Okay, we're just gonna shake it up. It's looking very nice, but it's not coming out fast enough, guys. Okay, I think that should be good. You can't see, guys. Let me put you a bit more down, a bit more forward. See the glitter right here? Yeah. Guys, you're too hard to put up. And now let's close this. Okay, guys, let's just put you a bit more high, a bit more lower. Look at that. Let's put this over here. Look how nice this slime is. It's a very nice. I don't think you could even see my face anymore. Okay, so this slime is a very nice. Oh yeah. And I don't know, but a bit before, like a few months ago, I added lipstick, makeup to the slime. Eyeshadow, lipstick, mascara, foundation. I added everything. And that's why I think it came this texture, and there's still pieces of lipstick in here. And then I added some clay, but the clay was a bit melted, but it didn't really want to mix in this slime. So that's why it feels like that. That's just, oh my goodness, it's so hard. It's just, it feels like lotion, but in fluffiness. I think I'm running out of shaving cream, guys. But look how nice this is. It's a very nice texture, actually. It's not a bad texture, or it's not a good texture. let's just clean up the table real quick because I don't want the lotion slime to be a bit fluffy. But we're gonna mix them together. Okay, so this is the final product of the fluffy slime. Let me do a swirl, an Instagram swirl real quick. I don't know what they call them. I think they're called Instagram swirls. I mean, I think they were called Instagram swirls, but now I don't think they're not. So we're just gonna, how nice that looks. Okay, not anymore. Okay, now let's do this one. It's a very runny slime. So let's just go like this, like that. Okay, that's the swirl. Okay, you know what? Let's just mix. Oh my goodness, it's going everywhere. Okay, oh my goodness. It's so weird. It's just, it's so weird texture, you know? It's like when you eat something but you don't know if you like it or not. This is how it feels. Instead of tasting it, it's like if you're feeling it. So love it. Let's see if it still fits because it looks very big. What fit? Let me see if I can make a small bubble. Oh. Let me see if I can make a small bubble. Let's retry that. Oh. So this slime is bubble proof. Now let's see if it's clicking. Okay, clicking time. I'm telling you, I'm not a good singer. Okay. So, I guess we're not going to do the clicking because it doesn't really do clicking. I tried to do it, but it doesn't do anything. So, we are just going to do a swirl and for the final look. Okay. Let's swirl. And let's put it in here. Oh my goodness, let's put it in this container. Let's see how much it grew because when we first got it, whoa guys, I think it grew. It actually grew. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to see more slime videos, make sure you like this video. And if you don't want to see any more slime videos, then make sure you subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell, ding ding, so you won't miss any of my videos. Bye guys!